I am going to try and show you how to do a QuickTime screen recording. QuickTime may or may not be down here in your toolbar. If it's not, click on your home screen where it's going to say Finder. Go to Go, and then it's in Applications, and it's all in ABC order. So there's QuickTime Player. Click on that, and it will pop up like this. It will say QuickTime up here. Your screen will still be like this, so don't be surprised by that. It'll just be up here. Click File. New screen recording is what I'm doing right now, so it can do the screen. Audio, it just records your voice. New movie recording is another way, like Flipgrid, and the Screencast-O-Matic is also another way that you can just do this, and then it will save it to your file or to your desktop when you're done, wherever you put it. So that is what you do, and then when you're done with recording it, you click stop recording, and it will pop up that you can save it, name it however you want, save it to you want, wherever, desktop, photos, things like that, and then you're good to go.